Wake up, wait! Are you late again? Every morning, this same struggle. Alarms, yawns, snooze buttons. Sometimes you wish, what if I never had to sleep again? No more wasting 8 hours a day on a bed. Imagine, 24 hours of pure productivity. But what you're about to discover is far from a dream. Because this no-sleep idea could become the most dangerous decision of your life. Welcome to What If, and today we ask, what if you stopped sleeping forever? Why we even need sleep? It might feel like sleep is a waste of time. The average human sleeps 1/3 of their entire life. That's 25-30 years. Just lying in bed. But your body isn't being lazy. While you sleep, your brain resets and cleans toxins. Muscles repair and grow. Hormones are released to keep your body balanced. Memories are organized and stored. If you work out, sleep helps your muscles grow. If you study, sleep helps your brain remember. Without sleep, your body is like a phone with 1% battery. Still working, but moments away from shutting off. Hours without sleep? You've now been awake for 24 hours. How do you feel? Honestly, pretty good. In fact, you might feel even better than normal. Because your brain activates the mesolimbic dopamine system, making you feel excited, energetic, and weirdly happy. But don't celebrate yet. Your reaction time slows. You start forgetting simple things. You look fine on the outside, but your brain is already in trouble on the inside. And hours without sleep, it's now day 2. No sleep. No rest, no dreams. Your body stops using glucose properly. That means no energy. Your face loses color. Your eyes turn red and dry. Your skin starts looking older. Hello, wrinkles. You struggle to focus. Sentences don't make sense. You're awake. But your brain is shutting down functions one by one. 72 hours, 3 days. Now is where things get scary. At 72 hours without sleep, your brain is starving for REM sleep. So what does it do? It starts dreaming while you're awake. You hear voices that aren't real. You see objects that don't exist. You feel someone touching your shoulder, but no one's there. These are hallucinations. Your brain is mixing reality with dreams. Your immune system drops. You start losing muscle because your body begins breaking down protein to survive. 1 week without sleep after 7 days awake. The body is in emergency mode. Here's what happens. Your blood pressure becomes dangerously high. Your brain cells begin to die from stress. You forget family, names, even your address. You randomly fall into micro-sleeps, 5-second blackouts where your brain sleeps even if your eyes are open. And this is exactly how fatal accidents happen. 2 weeks in death. At around 11-14 days, your immune system completely breaks. You could die from a simple cold. Your organs struggle to function. Your heart is exhausted. And then, cardiac arrest. Your heart gives up. Without medical help or sleep, you die. Roughly 15-20 days after your last sleep cycle. What if humans evolved to never sleep? But wait, what if, instead of dying, humans evolved to never need sleep at all? The world would change completely. People would have 24 hours every day, no bedtime. Schools, offices, shops open all day, all night. Double the productivity. Scientists, artists, creators could work non-stop, but also higher stress and burnout. No dreams, meaning no creativity, no deep memory formation. And mental health issues, no emotional reset from sleeping. No quiet nighttime. The world never rests. Sleep isn't just rest. It's a biological reset button. Can we replace sleep with technology? Scientists are working on ideas like sleep pods that provide 2 hours of deep neural rest equal to 8 hours. Brain stimulation helmets that force the brain to remove toxins without sleep. Genetic modification inspired by animals who don't sleep, like dolphins who shut off only half their brain at a time. But right now, nothing replaces real sleep. So what if you stopped sleeping forever? You'd start like a superhero and end like a tragedy. Sleep isn't a waste of time. It's the reason you survive. So tonight, don't fight your pillow. Embrace it, because the next dream you have might just save your life. If you enjoyed this what-if scenario, hit like, subscribe, and share. Comment below. What should we explore next?